How to create a folder and file in Ubuntu using terminal. You can use the mkdir command to create a folder and the touch command to create file. Let's see how to create. First of all, you should open the terminal. Open in terminal. Our location is desktop and now we are creating a folder mkdir. Then you can provide the folder or directory name. You can see the folder is created, right? Then let's see how to create a file. You can just type touch, then the file name is shortcut, then press enter. You can see the file is created. Thank you for watching.